If you're 16 to 20 years old and you feel tired, unmotivated, weak in the gym, it's not genetics. You're killing your own testosterone every single day without even knowing it. And in this video, I'm going to show you the 5 biggest killers that are destroying your energy, your muscle growth, and your confidence. Number 1. Lack of sleep. If you sleep less than 7 hours, your testosterone drops by up to 15% in just 1 week. One study showed that guys who slept 5 hours had testosterone levels of a man 10 years older. You go to bed at 2 a.m. scrolling TikTok, you're literally shutting down your growth. Fix: no screens 60 minutes before bed. Same bedtime every day. 7 to 9 hours, no excuse. Number 2. Junk food and seed oils. If 80% of your diet is processed, food, chips, energy drinks, fast food, your body has no material to build testosterone. Testosterone is made from cholesterol and healthy fats. No fats, no testosterone. Simple. You need eggs, red meat, olive oil, avocados, nuts. Stop being scared of fat. The low-fat diet is a lie that killed your hormones. Number 3. No sunlight and no movement. You're inside all day. School, computer, phone. No sun, no vitamin D. Vitamin D is not a vitamin. It's a hormone that directly controls testosterone. 20 minutes of direct sunlight every day can increase testosterone by up to 20%. And if you don't lift heavy weights, your body has no reason to produce testosterone. You have to give it a reason. Squats, deadlifts, bench press. Heavy, hard, 3 to 4 times a week. Number 4. Porn, constant dopamine, and stress. Every time you get a cheap dopamine hit from porn, TikTok, video games for 8 hours, you fry your dopamine system. Low dopamine equals low motivation, low drive, low testosterone. And stress? When you're stressed all the time, your body produces cortisol. Cortisol kills testosterone. It's a direct enemy. You need to control stress. Meditation for 5 minutes, walks outside, journaling, less social media. Your hormones will thank you. Number 5. Alcohol and vaping. Even one night of heavy drinking can drop your testosterone by 23% for up to 48 hours. Vaping. It destroys your lung capacity, your sleep, your blood flow. You want to be a man? Stop doing things that make you weaker. Look, you don't need to be perfect. Start with these 3 things this week. Sleep 8 hours, get 20 minutes of sun, and lift 3 times. Eat real food, not crap. Do that for 30 days and you will feel like a different person. More energy, more muscle, more confidence. If this video helped you, hit subscribe, because next video, I'm going to show you exactly what to eat in a day to build muscle as a skinny teen. No bullshit, just real food that works.